Lots of water here on the American Legion Bridge.
1 miles. Zip to exit 45A, State Route 267 West, Reston, Herndon, Dulles Airport.
Beltway traffic, DC Beltway traffic in the rain. Oh, let's try to nudge it over to the right because we're going to the right. If I can nudge it. Oh, no, it went off. Well, we got it back on. Oh, the person doesn't try to get over. At least we got wipers back. Last couple of videos in heavy rain, if you've seen them, have been without windshield wipers. Rain-X only. So far, the AutoPilot's doing pretty good. We're on 2018.26.2. It's doing pretty good with the braking and the acceleration. Overall, it's a lot more confident and smooth on the highway, even in the heavy rain. Let's see if I can. I gotta get over to the right. Let's see if I can get over. It's not gonna let me get over. Somebody's going ahead and just turning. It won't let me turn here. I've turned AutoPilot off. These are secondary lanes, not the main travel lanes. Whoa, white balance is all messed up. Hello. Hopefully that's a little bit better. All right, thanks so much for watching. Whoa, we're hitting some water. More water.